just hold on. It's not over till it's all been said. It's not over till your dying breath. So what do you want them to say when you're gone? That you gave up, boy, that you kept going on. What do you do when a chapter ends? Do you close the book and never read it again? Where do you go when your story's done? You can be who you were or who you'll become. Oh, if it all goes wrong, oh, darling, just hold on. The sun goes down and it comes back up. The world it turns no matter what. If it all goes wrong, darling, just hold on. Darling, just hold on. Darling, just hold on.
Up at night I'm awake cause it haunts me that I never got to say what I wanted.
Oh my God, oh my God.
I'm not the same as I was with you. I would jump out my skin just to get you.
Oh my God, oh my God.
How could you have ever known if I never let it show? And now I just wanna know.
Yeah, I'm fine, drop tears in the morning, give in to the lonely, it comes with no warning. Capsize, I'm first in the water, too close to the bottom.
I apologize for